HMS Core Audio Editor Kit offers a diverse range of audio editing capabilities, including noise reduction, voice changer, audio source separation, and text-to-speech. By integrating the kit into your app, you'll give your users the access to effortless music making, podcasting, and sound tracking. Audio Editor Kit utilizes formidable music and speech-related technologies from Huawei to bolster entertaining apps with real-time voice changer and noise reduction functions. Thanks to its spatial audio function, the kit is also ideal for editing surround sound and adding BGM. This function specifies the location of different audio tracks in 3D space. It also provides scene-specific sound effects like underwater, broadcast, earpiece, and gramophone. If you're interested in developing karaoke and music editing functions, Audio Editor Kit is also a good choice. This kit is powered by AI, so it's able to isolate voices from the accompaniment and turn them into separate audio tracks. And there is yet another great function, text-to-speech. This function can convert text into emotionally expressive narration with a default or custom timbre. Choose it if your app needs dubbing, voice navigation, or audible books. Audio Editor Kit provides a rich array of APIs related to UI, file, and streaming capabilities. You can choose to integrate them as needed to build high-level audio functions into your app with little effort.